morning. In today's lesson, we are going to talk about the tools used in our workshop, and we are going to check them. So they are categorized in four. We have the measuring tools, marking tools, holding tools, and driving cutting tools. So with the measuring tools, we are going to start with the tape measure. Tape measure is used to measure distances. They can be long. In measuring, you can use millimeters, inches, or foot. So I'm going to demonstrate a little bit. When you are measuring using tape measure, you measure the distance, then there's this thing. Keep it that way so that it cannot come back. And through that, you can check out the distance. Yeah, you can see it's 87 centimeters. That can be 870 millimeters. There's also a steel rule. It is used to measure also distances, but small distances. We have the spirit level. It is used to measure surfaces, to know if the surface is on a straight line. So by demonstrating, you keep it on the surface that you want to measure and check at this hole there. If the surface is level, it should be at the middle. So this one is not at the middle. So these are the measuring tools in general. We also have the engineer square. It's used to measure if an object is in a right angle shape, the edge. So as you can see, engineer square. Then with the measuring tools, we are going to the marking tools. These are used to make marks on wood, plastic, or metals as you are measuring. So we have the pencil, which is used to make marks on a wood. We have the scriber. It's used to make marks on a metal. You can, see it's visible. That's the work of a scribe. Then there's the center patch. It's also used to make maybe on a metal for you to know where the mark is. So you can use this, and there's the mark. So these are the marking tools. So we are going to go to the holding tools. The holding tools, we have the F clamp. It's used to hold something on a bench. Maybe if you want to hold something like this, you can keep it there. And then you used for holding, as you can see. There's also other examples. We have the G clamp also for holding. We have the engineer's vice or bench vice. You can also use it for holding. An example, if you want to drill this one, you can keep it there. It holds. These are the examples of holding tools. We also have the driving tools. Driving tools, these here are my driving tools. We have the ratchet set, these tools that you can use to drive in nuts. We also have the spanner and the screwdriver. I used to drive screws on. Used to drive screws. We also have the Allen key. It's also used to drive nuts. So we can demonstrate maybe using this ratchet set. Can you come with me, please? If you have not like this one, which we are required to open it or maybe close it. this. So you can keep it here, and then you can there's this one that you keep it the other side there. It enables you to loosen the nut. You can see it was loosened. I will close it later. So this is the ratchet set. Let's go back. We have the last type, which are the cutting tools. I've already talked about driving, hauling tools. So the cutting tools, we have the handsaw. It has these edges. So when you're cutting, the edges have to face away from you so that you can, and you only cut in forward side. So this is a handsaw, and this is a file. It's also used to cut metals. Yeah, these are guys that we have for now. I think it's all. So these are the tools that I was to talk about, and thank you very much.